Today we get to read out of Colossians 4 verse 2. Devote yourselves to prayer, being watchful and thankful. Here is your word for today. Wow, devote yourselves to prayer. You know, prayer is such an important part of our walk with the Lord on a daily basis. We cannot survive without prayer. Prayer is like our lifeline. Prayer is our way to communicate to the Lord as well. Prayer is our way of just being with God and in His presence. You know, it says here, devote yourselves to prayer. We need to devote ourselves to prayer. We need to be in prayer constantly, in communication, knowing that we have a direct access to the Father through Jesus and that He hears us. And we pray in faith, knowing that He hears us and that He will answer us in His time and in His will. And it says, being watchful and thankful. You know, we need to watch the times of today. We need to be thankful of the things that the Lord does. We need to be thankful when He answers our prayers. You know, today, let us be in constant prayer with Him and communication with the Lord. You know, today we get to get on our knees and pray and be in His presence, and we get to communicate to the Father through Jesus.